सो पहला मैच आधार कार्ड वर्सेस ग्रीन कार्ड, समीर एट वानखेड़े, कैसा रहा आज का मैच?
इंटरेस्टिंग. एक्चुअली द फॉर्मेट इज लाइक दैट कि यहाँ पे कोई भी किसी को भी हरा सकता है ऑन देयर गिवन डे.
Yeah.
सो वी कैन नॉट डिस्काउंट एनी टीम. दे आर एसोसिएट नेशंस
Yeah.
प्लेइंग गुड क्वालिटी क्रिकेट.
Yeah.
टुडे वी सॉ वेस्ट इंडीज वर्सेस स्कॉटलैंड, Pakistan versus Netherlands, and now India versus USA. All three games were thrillers.
Yeah,
to some extent.
Absolutely. और आई थिंक अच्छा हुआ कि पहले ही मैच में हमें एक वर्कआउट मिल गया.
Yes.
थोड़ा क्लोज था फॉर इट्स टेकिंग, बट यूएस वन द टॉस एंड डिसाइडेड टू फील्ड, एंड देन इंडिया की बैटिंग, यू नो, सुबह उठे तो लगा कि भाई ये क्या हो गया.
Yeah, it was a scare. Mumbai में 160 score, 9 out of 10 times you would expect team batting second to win the game, but yeah, it was poor bowling, poor batting from India, and
मतलब हाँ, आई नो लाइक विकेट थोड़ा टू पेस था, थोड़ा स्टिकी था, बट बैटिंग कुड हैव बीन बेटर, जो हमारे कैप्टन ने भी एडमिट किया. व्हाट आर यू मोस्ट डिसअपॉइंटेड इंडियन बैटिंग में?
I think every other players, I think it's okay, they can have one off day, but I'm most disappointed with Akshar Patel and Rinku Singh, because Akshar Patel को हम लोग बोलते हैं कि okay, he is a bowler who can bat, but now he has to step up his game.
Yeah.
He is a reliable batsman also, and he should take more ownership. He is a vice captain.
Yeah.
And same goes for Rinku Singh. Rinku Singh is in the team for this exact situation. He has the ability to adapt to the game.
Yeah.
And which was lacking today.
Yeah, again we don't need to nitpick. Hopefully ये पहला ही मैच है, तो you know hopefully improvements हो. But you know, credit where it's due. US के bowlers homework करके आए थे, and they bowled really well.
On point.
उन्होंने जो field setting भी लगाई अभिषेक शर्मा के लिए, that was amazing. But we have to talk about Sky, Sameer, today. आज का जो knock था.
Right, this top-notch knock from Sky, the captain.
Yeah.
He was out of form for last 2 years, but ये last 2 months में जो उसने अपना game change किया है, and today it was needed, and he performed. He knew exactly what to do, and he has, like he mentioned, he has played in Mumbai for such a long time, all his career, and he knows the ground, and he said that if he bats till the end, India will have a good, decent score.
या टिक के खेला वो शुरू में, एंड देन जैसे 2026 में एक वादा सूर्या दादा. बट हमारी बॉलिंग के बारे में क्या कहना है? इट वाज अ क्लिनिकल परफॉर्मेंस.
Yeah, clinical performance. India was under pressure. 160 defend करना in Bombay, in Mumbai, in Wankhede, it is not easy. There is sometimes due, and we were short of Bumrah, the best bowler we have, and but DSP Siraj and Harshdeep Singh,
absolutely,
they were amazing.
Yeah, overall a great workout, good outing. वानखेड़े में पहले मैच में हमें थोड़ा स्केयर मिला, which was needed. So देखते हैं आगे मैचेस में क्या होगा, and we'll be back with another quick take. Cheers.